University are a unique place to explore that grand challenges of our time.
It can be a challenge to make a decision,
To make a new home.
to find truth,
To make a friends.
To succeed.
To adapt.
In today's competitive market,
character are greatly needed.
Research was created to endure some of the problems that humanity face.
And to offer solution properly.
We make an important contribution.
Through our research support, we help others. We build learning culture. With high social responsibility.
to make knowledge experience.
And also work experience.
We maximize the delivery of quality academic.
Our lecturers and staff are always there for you.
To thrive, indeed survive in tomorrow's world, it is important to remember that Industry 4.0 requires organization to adopt a creative mindset, understanding the power of the interconnectivity realized by new technologies.
Here at Wijaya Kusuma University of Surabaya, we overcome these challenges with a simple word. We just say hi, and that changes the world.
I'm Yofian. I will be medical veteriner.
I'm Dinda and I will be lawyer.
I'm Juventio. I will be agriculture engineer.
I'm Safira and I will be a politician. I'm Anissa and I will be a lecturer. I'm Ista, I will be doctor.
I'm Yuka, and I will be a manager.
I'm Ain, I will be accountant.